I really believe that most people aren't out here trying to hurt others, but this ride is a perfect example of the lengths people will go when they are trying to get themselves out of a mess they made, and how quickly things can escalate when someone is willing to lie. This was a typical late night Uber ride. The girl was hammered, and in a moment I'll find out the hard way just how drunk she was. But before I do that, I'm gonna make a mistake. Like a lot of towns, the one we're in was a big grid, and when that happens, sometimes the GPS confuses the roadways with the alleyways. And in this instance, the GPS looked like it wanted me to turn down this creepy dark alley. Now you can save the gender politics for the classroom. In the real world, as a male with a drunk female that I don't know in my car, I'm gonna err to the side of not driving down a creepy ass alley at 2 in the morning. So I went past it thinking the GPS would correct to the main road, and it never did.
Wait, was I supposed to go up an alley or something?
It's all good. Thank you.
I can back up if you want. You sure?
All good.
All right. Yeah, sorry. That was,
I felt bad, but again, if she wants to get out, the last thing I'm going to do is force a woman to stay in my car when she doesn't want to. And it's not like we were in a bad neighborhood, as you'll see. The only thing she needed protection from was herself.
You sure you're all right?
Yep.
All right. Oh, holy smokes. Hold on. Are you sure you're okay getting home?
This chick, with her key in her hand, went to close the door, missed the door, and swiped that key right across the back panel of my car. So there I am with a brand new scratch on my vehicle and a drunk girl who knows she did it, but doesn't want to admit it.
Yeah.
That was definitely already there. I didn't do anything about that.
Oh, yeah? Where'd you hit that?
Here.
Okay. Because I think you missed the door and it fell back here. But, yeah,
Well, tell me right now. Tell me right now. There's definitely no way I hit there, but like whatever. Like if you want to tell me I hit there, then you can just tell me right now.
Part of Uber taking 25% of every fare is that they're supposed to handle situations like this. Last thing I want to do is end up arguing with a drunk chick on a dark road at 2 in the morning. I don't know exactly how that would go, but I know it's not a winning situation for me. So I know all I need to do is report this to Uber, and I'll fill you in on how wonderful they treated me after the fact. But as for now, my MO is just to get this chick away from my car. I was trying to coax her to come to the conclusion of it's time to go by herself, but she would not leave.
You want to tell me that right now?
I don't know what you want me to say.
I mean, I don't know what you want me to say. I'm standing here and like I definitely like went like this, and if you want me to like blame that, like okay, but that definitely was not me. So that looks like somebody was like trying to pump her gas and like.
And what? Try to put it with the thing
Well,
back
that's
there?
like so far away from like your door. Are you kidding? Like that's just so far away from your door.
I mean, I'll be honest. I have it on camera. I have a dash camera,
Okay,
and I know what
that's
happened
fine.
is
Okay.
you tried to close the door, and you're so drunk that you missed it, and you fell into my car. All right, so you don't need to.
Well, like I'm here and I'm like take responsibility for like whatever.
Well, that's just so big of you, sweetheart, but you taking responsibility does not get the scratches off of my car!
Maybe I'll just take a picture of Uber and I don't know.
I was trying my best to avoid saying that. It's always a bit precarious when you tell a drunk Uber rider you're going to report them to Uber.
Yeah, I'm not asking to say anything. I mean,
You also didn't like drop me off where I said I was wanting to be, which was like up there. So
You might think I overreact here, but when she said that, that told me she was ready to lie her way out of this situation. And the way I see it, lies are like seeds. It starts small, but if it takes, it can grow real big. And that's especially true in a situation like this.
you also didn't like drop me off where I said I was wanting to be.
Imagine if a cop showed up and she told him I was taking her somewhere she didn't want to go. What does that sound like? And who do you think he's going to believe? A damsel in distress or a raggedy Uber driver? Truth is, in the moment, I wasn't sure if the camera was on, and even if it was, I didn't know if it could see or hear what happened. But all it takes is the possibility of the truth to put a liar in a panic.
You also didn't like drop me off where I said I was wanting to be, which was like up there. So
again, I have it on camera. I said I missed the alley and I would go
yeah,
back.
I know, no.
And you told me to let you out here.
Yeah,
You actually
yeah,
insisted.
and that's fine.
So,
That's
so
fine.
don't say that. Okay, I'm trying to be nice to you, and you're turning this up a little bit. Okay, so there's
Okay,
no.
if I'm the one that's turning it up, then like fine.
Okay.
Thank God for the dash cam. I reported the incident to Uber, and in so many words, they told me to fuck myself. Moral of the story, life's not fair, but if you try your best, do what's right, and know the truth, the scratches that are still on your car to this day don't look so bad. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.